everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second Super Cool Fold of the Week. Thanks for watching. This week's Super Cool Fold is another great idea from my good friends at Slate Group in Lubbock, Texas. This was a piece produced for Pink the Basin, a fundraiser luncheon, and this was designed by Medical Center Health System, their in-house marketing and communications department in Odessa, Texas. And this piece is another great example of a waterfall accordion. So I thought it would be neat to put these two back to back. If you watched last week, I had a waterfall accordion that had a really straight kind of geometric stepping technique. And this week is like the polar opposite. This has a softness and also a more extreme angle on the waterfall. So this is a 4-panel. Last week was 3. So there's just a lot of variety in the different ways you can treat just this one simple technique. So this is a 4-panel accordion, and you can see here, I'll show you the cover like this. You can see there's just this really pretty curved die, and it ends at kind of a pretty small panel down here, and that's because you can really play with the depth of that angle. So you can see when I stretch it out that that die really has a steep angle and a very pretty shape to it. Also, the content works particularly well on this format, which is a really key component to a successful piece. Does your content fit the format itself? So it's just really nice that they got little chunks of information, reveal and hide. There's their guest speaker, event information, sponsor information. It just all fits so nicely. I also love the color combo. This also mailed in a bright fuchsia envelope. So these were printed on flow gloss 100-pound cover. Then these were printed for color with a soft touch on them. So it has a really nice softness to it as well. So die score. They did about 1,750 of these. So very cool. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second Super Cool Fold of the Week. 4-panel accordion with curved waterfall die cut. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds if I use them. I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, die lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week.